factors, you should write the factors on which the ionization energy depends. Factors on which the ionization energy of any atom depends. Okay, the first is your atomic radii. You have to see these kind of factors. Atomic radius is the first one. Charge on nucleus. And the third is your shielding effect, shielding or screening effect. Okay, and of half filled or completely filled orbitals. And the 5 is that the subshells S, P, D and F, from which the electron has to be removed. Okay, so these are your important factors on which ionization energy depends. And we know the atomic radius. If we go for the division, what we learned is that atomic radius along a period it increases, along a period IE increases as atomic radius decreases, and down the group IE decreases. Why? Because your size increases. So it is inversely proportional. Atomic radius is inversely proportional. Charge on the nucleus, as the charge on the nucleus increases, this one is inversely proportional to IE, and your effective nuclear charge or the charge on the nucleus is directly proportional to IE. So as the nucleus charge increases, so ionization energy also increases. Why? It becomes difficult to remove an electron again, because it's already positive, it will not allow the electron to go. Then shielding or screening effect. Due to screening effect, when you go down the group, what happens when you have F orbitals in between, you have D orbitals, or you can say when we go to the elements of the D block elements, or we go to the F block elements, because of the presence of these F and D subshells, these are diffused. Okay, so the electrons are flying here and there. What happens is that as we go down, subshell is increasing, so your atomic charge is also increasing, but you are adding more protons also to it. So shielding effect, and due to shielding effect of these orbitals, what happens, your ionization energy of those elements actually they differs. How it differs? Like if the shielding effect is more, your ionization energy is low. That means it is also inversely proportional to your IE. Okay, because why shielding effect is more, that means electrons whatever the electron is there in the outermost shell, it is already, the nucleus is shielded. That means the nucleus charge is not able to hold that electron out, the outermost electron, so you can easily remove it. So hence it is inversely proportional. Then your presence of half filled or completely filled orbitals. Presence of half filled and completely filled orbital, it becomes difficult. So if it is half filled and completely filled, your ionization energy becomes difficult. And subshell, so S, removal from S is difficult, then P, then D, then F. As we go regarding these things, so it increases this way, increases from S to P, then to D, and then to F. So these are the important things you should remember. And this is all about ionization energies. I don't think you need to go through any other videos for ionization energies or to solve. So if you have any questions, you can just ping me in Instagram, or you just send me a message in YouTube. Thank you so much.